This is Hercule, who is enjoying broccoli for the first time. So far this morning, 3 out of my 5 budgies have nibbled at the broccoli. Hercule is the one who seems to like it the most. Is that tasty broccoli, Hercule? I'm using a reloadable chew kebab, which pet stores sell for hamsters and guinea pigs and pets like that. But instead of the wooden chew toys that come with it, I'm using it to put fresh fruits and vegetables. And the birds really seem to enjoy it. It's a natural foraging instinct, I guess, and they seem more inclined to try new fruits and vegetables when I put them on the kebab rather than cutting them up into their seed bowls. So that's what we've been doing. Today we actually have a carrot and a grape on there as well. Carrot is one of their favorites. They've had it many times before. The grape is also new, but nobody's actually tried that one yet. You all finished eating, Hercule? You all done? Oh. Looks like we've decided we want some spinach instead. Spinach is another one of their favorite vegetables. They love to have fresh leaves of spinach. And I just hang them as a little bunch of leaves, 6 or 7 leaves. I hang them from the top of the cage. Oh, it looks like Wooster's coming up to join Hercule. And there's Jeeves.